Hey, today we are in Audi with MIB2 Premium infotainment system. This is called MMI navigation, as all Audi navigation systems, but this device is called MIB2 Premium from the technical point of view, and the software train starts with MH2p. I believe it's made by Alpine, and right now I'm going to show you how to reboot this device into the engineering mode, how to enter the hidden menu, which actually will reboot this device. So you need to place 2 fingers on the clock in the upper right corner for about 2 or 3 seconds, and after that you will see that both displays go completely dark. This will now take about 1 minute, so be patient, don't worry. Right now the system is rebooting, even though you don't have the welcome screen over here. As said, it will reboot to a different state, not the normal operation mode. Okay, so it took about minute and a half. Over here with the volume control knob we have navigation, and we have 5 options to select from. We have update, which will help you trigger update if you provide the new firmware. We have activation keys, and you can check which features are activated over here, and if the license is legal. You have the version information, and as I said, this is called MH2p. And what's else over here? If we go back, we have user data transfer, so we can dump the user information over here, all the personal stuff. And over here the 5th option is exit. It will reboot this unit into normal operation mode. So when you're done browsing around over here, or checking or updating or whatever you are trying to do, just select this. This screen will once again go completely dark, completely black, and after a minute or so you will be back in the normal operation mode. And we have the MMI navigation, the climate control is working, and everything right now will just boot up. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.